Hi, I'm Diomedes Kastanis and I'm heading IoT for the Singtel Group. As companies and enterprises are looking for a path to digitalization through the means of Internet of Things, this is where you find the common denominator. And that common denominator is the network. Network touches everything. It touches people, it touches devices, and it touches applications. At Singtel, this is our core business, network. So it's our commitment to provide more software-defined, more predictive, more resilient networks with policies and securities engraved into it in order to enable enterprises to embrace the Internet of Things. When enterprises or small, medium enterprises, bigger enterprises, governments are looking for Internet of Things solutions, in our opinion, there should be 5 things they should be considering. Number 1, frictionless. That means that every application, device, or medium of that application should embrace the actual end goal with a frictionless manner. Whether it's onboarding, whether it's application registration, whether it's a registration of the device, all these capabilities need to happen behind the scenes, but securely and reliably. The second piece is adaptability. As technology evolves and we see more and more every day new capabilities be coming into life, really sticking to a silo approach doesn't solve the problem. The solutions need to be adaptable, flexible, in order to be able to embrace new capabilities and evolve together with them. The third one will be intelligence. So we all see the enormous impact that artificial intelligence and machine learning has into the everyday's lives. That goes for Internet of Things. Devices will evolve through intelligence, devices will evolve through machine learning and deep learning, and we see the first evidence of all these things happening right now. The fourth piece will be connectivity. More and more we see those solutions be fully connected, and especially in the light of 5G and all the approaches that are happening in this space, 4.5G, low power networks. Now you have a reliable and a persistent network that it can enable your application to become much more consistent and much more reliable. Whether you are at the edge, or whether you are somewhere remotely, whether you are in a densely populated area, or whether you're in a factory, your device should always be on. While the device is always on, then you have the ability to harness data, impact actuation, and overall manage the application much better. So always on is important. Last but not least is the ability to have paramount security in everything we do. All the way from the device to the network, to the cloud, to the application stack. In all those 4 layers, security should be consistent and should be always on. In the sense that, as we have a device today and we go and we unlock the device and all of a sudden we reveal a whole world, right? This needs to move to a continuous security, where security is being checked every single millisecond in terms of anomalies, the way we use our device, the way the device is actually behaving. So we actually need to have continuous security across the board for all IoT applications. So at Singtel, we're really looking at niche solutions that really differentiate our customers against competition. We try to focus on solutions that provide maximum impact with high innovation.